I mean, the idea here is you want to invest in a smart way with smart people. Hey, y'all. Thanks for joining us today. Jared Seidenberg, Pine Financial Group, where we work together to help you succeed. If you found us on YouTube, give us a subscribe. If you found us on Facebook, like our page. Reach out to us. Let us know what kind of content you like to hear, because we want to make sure we're providing exactly what you need to help yourself get further ahead in your own career. Today, I have an amazing guest to give us some time today, Mr. Kevin Amolsch, founder of Pine Financial Group and master investor. And what we wanted to talk about today is diversification. And we get this all the time. We have people that want to invest in our company or with us in our mortgage funds, right? And they say, well, I am so diversified right now and I'm looking for a little bit of extra. And we look at what they've got and they send us a portfolio of mutual funds.
Yeah, it's so funny, Jared, because not only do we get those calls, but you actually read those articles. Like, you'll get on Yahoo Finance and you say, how to diversify your portfolio? Well, pick 5 stocks and then diversify over the...
Yeah, the guy that helps me with my 401k said the same thing. He said, hey, we need to diversify your portfolio. And I'm in a bunch of blue chips.
It's so crazy.
I don't know that I'm diversified. If everything goes down, I'm done.
What is diversification? What is true diversification then?
Well, I think for me, diversifying in different types of asset classes, right? Stocks, bonds, real estate, something that's near and dear to us. But come on, guys, we're trying to invest in different areas of the economy so that you insulate yourself from risk. So how would you do it?
Well, I like to think of it as Wall Street versus Main Street. Now, I think you do need some Wall Street exposure. Historically, returns have been pretty high if you look at a long period of time, but you could lose 30% in a year also. So to get true diversification, I think you need to get some allocation into Main Street. So what are Main Street investments? Well, I think immediately of real estate, like as you said, but what about like private companies, venture capital or angel investing? I know there's some angel investing groups out there that you can get in for as little as $5,000.
$5,000, that's cheap.
I know, seems like it's not even worth making that investment, but there's those types of investments. And then obviously you have private equity, like we've talked about in some of our other videos, where you're investing in a syndication type of deal. Private debt, if you want more information about private debt, pinefinancialgroup.com. I think personally, maybe not the highest return, but the safest investment you can make, in my opinion.
Well, gosh, especially when that type of investment comes with an entire team behind you, right? I mean, the idea here is you want to invest in a smart way with smart people, and that's a great way to do it.
So if I want to invest in Main Street and I want to get into some debt investing where I know it's nice and safe and steady to kind of offset some of the turbulence in the stock market, but all of my investment is in a retirement account, Jared. I have 401k and I have my IRA. Is there a way for me to diversify into Main Street?
Oh, definitely. And in fact, we can provide you a way to do that too at Pine Financial Group. We work with different companies that allow self-directed IRAs to invest into our mortgage funds.
Yeah, so these self-directed you could do a self-directed 401k also, but self-directed IRAs
thank you.
You're allowed to invest in alternative assets like real estate. So you can go out and buy a rental property. If you need more information about that, we'd be happy to help you.
Absolutely. And the biggest thing is you want to make sure that you have exposure, like you said, to different types of things so that if one thing goes up or down, you know that you're safe over time. The idea here is capital preservation and making money with your money.
So self-directed IRA is a great way to do it. So if you want true diversification, some exposure Main Street, some exposure Wall Street, we could help you investing in Main Street. Check us out, pinefinancialgroup.com.